I'm having a hard time understanding what the nature of your claim is.
So I'm entitled to losses due to black mold, due to legal fees for the last 3 years regarding this case. Frank Dreyer put a $38,000 judgment against me. I couldn't get this house. I was denied housing. I was trying to have my disabled mother move at the time because I didn't take Eric with me. And so Eric, everybody knew Eric was not leaving. I begged for alternative housing for emergency health reasons from Frank for 30 days for Stephanie and Eric. He's denied it. He said, no, I'm not getting a motel for God knows who for however long. I had till September 30th to be out of their house. Denise stopped communication altogether, and I had to actually call 10 times and leave multiple messages. I have documentation that I left text. I'm entitled to the inspection. I've been told by a lawyer that I had to pay $495 for a professional infrared black mold inspection that showed water coming up from the foundation of the home. That house should be condemned. So Denise wants to say that there's never been a mold problem there. She told me about it when I moved in. And I said, well, if you've taken the steps to divert the water, then I'm not that concerned. So actually, when it first started happening, I'm like, they already knew about it. And I tried to, I had to move. I started getting sick. Everybody was lethargic. Nobody should be in that home. Anyway, so I'm entitled to also the legal fees that I've had to endure for 3 years.
Hold on, Ms. White. I'm going to ask you some questions.
They've threatened me. My godmother died in that home. She was sick and elderly. She should have been provided alternate housing for 30 days. That's all we asked. And Frank wouldn't do it. And a lot of heartache and a lot of headache. And it was really sad watching Stephanie die in this house. Yes, Eric does drugs. He's now homeless, actually. So they can blame me for the black mold all they want. But anyways, you have a $38,000 judgment against you. Did you not know that? So it messed up my credit, my rental history, everything. And then after the order of dissemination, I had to mail out 25 letters to all these companies